All right, it's time to get your pet questions answered.
Dr. Carrie Donahue joins us from Full Circle Holistic Vet Clinic. The number to call is 270-9933. Hi, Carrie.
Hi, Carrie.
Hello, nice to see you guys.
Poppy's there.
Here's Poppy.
Everything's well?
Everything is going really well. Yes, thank you.
All right, good. Let's get to the phones. We'll start with Peggy from Burke. Hi, Peggy. What's your question?
Hi, I have a cat who's 20 years old,
Wow.
and she's been sneezing a lot, but she's eating, she seems healthy and active. She's just sneezing incredibly much. Any ideas?
Well, first of all, congratulations on having a 20-year-old cat. That is wonderful and amazing. You know, and this time of year, I do see a lot of cats who just kind of develop these light upper respiratory signs. And with the sneezing, what I usually recommend is a supplement, and it's called lysine. And you can get lysine in a treat form or a gel form for cats. You can give about 500 milligrams twice a day, and sometimes that's enough just to help support their immune system with the sneezing.
Okay, great.
All right, let's go to Diana from Edgerton. Hi, Diana. What's your question?
Yeah, I have an indoor cat that in the last couple of weeks we've noticed he has some little scabs kind of on his back, like at the base of his tail. He's not scratching that I've seen at all or anything, like he's itchy or anything, so I'm not sure what it would be from.
And do you see him licking? Did you say licking or biting at the area?
No, I've never seen him licking, biting, anything in that area.
Okay, well, that's a good thing. And, you know, one of the things that you don't always think about, fleas are something that can even persist in the winter, and they like to go at the kind of the back toward the base of the tail. So that would be something just to double check for. Otherwise, I mean, it's possible that your cat has developed an allergy or a hypersensitivity, even to something in the food or something in the house, or it might just be dry skin this time of year. So one thing you could do would be to add in some fish oil or an omega-3 fatty acid and see if that helps. And then I would just double check for fleas just to make sure that that's not part of the issue.
All right. Let's go to Angie now in Jefferson. Hi, Angie.
Hi there.
Hi, what's your question?
I wanted to find out for dogs that paw wax, does it help with the cold, like this bitter cold we're going to be having, or is it just for snow that it helps?
No, it really does help with the cold, too, because the paw wax is that thick kind of, I mean, it's just a wax that you put on the pads of the feet. So it really helps protect that skin on the pads of the feet from the coldness in the ground. And it also protects from the salt and the sand and everything like that. So I think it's a great thing for dogs to do in the winter. You know, and if you can put booties on your dog or some other kind of paw covering, if you need that extra help, you could also do that, too.
Okay.
All right, we have, is it Janelle from Madison?
No, I think it's Theresa.
Oh, Theresa. Theresa from Janesville. Hi, Theresa. What's your question?
I have a 2-year-old sheepadoodle, and we've had her groomed, and she's constantly panting in the house. Is she sick? She's eating normal, drinking normal.
Okay. Well, that's all good. And panting in dogs is sometimes tough to figure out. I mean, sometimes they pant if they're too warm. Sometimes they pant if they're nervous, if they have anxiety. And sometimes they can pant if they are feeling painful from something. So I guess I would say you could give it a little bit of time, but if the panting is just not getting any better, it might be worth a visit to your vet just to kind of have an overall exam done and see if they can find any reason for that.
Okay, we have time for one more call. Janelle in Madison. Hi, Janelle.
Hi, thanks for having me. I'm calling in regards to my 4-month-old puppy. She's a golden retriever, and she eats her poop. I have tried what the vet has prescribed, a powder that you sprinkle on. I've tried pineapple, which I've heard helps, but I think it just makes her breath smell better, but she still eats it. And then,
okay, we had to go here. Go ahead, Carrie.
Yeah, I know. And this one, too. I mean, she's guilty of that also. One thing I would say is maybe adding in digestive enzymes or an overall vitamin mineral supplement. Sometimes they do that if they just have the drive to just kind of eat something that they shouldn't. You've tried everything else, so that might be the next thing I would say.
All right, we'll have to leave it there, I guess. Thanks, everyone, for calling. Carrie, thanks for your time.
Thank you
Give
so
Poppy a hug
much.
for
We'll
us.
see you next time.
We'll see you next time. We'll have a final check of your forecast coming up.